motor truck I have today. So we have the P380 R500 95 144 trailer, step, brick trailer, custom made code free flatbed, car insider, brick. We also have a car insider in there, that's for service. FA8 Magnum FH 124 R560 or 620. Plans, again a 9 old DAF and another Scania soon, WSI models to go with the shape we had in there. One of them is a Shell Shovel Strat DAF with a fridge trailer, and the other is a Scania with a curtain insider OWSI 1 in 50th scale. For now on, I'll be collecting WSI 1 in 50th scale models for birthdays and Christmases, and for truck shows I will be getting Corgi models. So yeah, let's go for the make. So Corgi, Universal Hobbies, Corgi, Universal Hobbies, WSI, Corgi. Them two came on a set with. Them two trailers. That trailer was off that truck, which was a Motward, but I debranded it, well, sort of, and I made it into a code-free flatbed. So let's quickly just grab the P380 since it's the closest one to the trailer. I know it's not really realistic, but who cares? So here it is. Took the side skirts off there, and their rear bumper still needs to reinstall. Yeah. Still need to make a headboard. Probably gonna get like a bit of wood, paint it grey, glue it onto the front here. May add some drop sides like that, and then yeah, probably get like maybe the crane off that one, and then just yeah, very nice trailer. Almost suits the P380 if only the P380 has a fifth wheel. If I do get another one of these sets, what I'll do is I will customize this a lot. So I'll get rid of the hook lift arms. I will get rid of all this stupid stuff. I'll keep the chassis, the length, or maybe add a different cabin. Maybe like an R series cabin. Keep the exhaust, and then just basically add a fifth wheel hitch round about there. So like in between there and there. Fifth wheel hitch, and then it has to be compatible with the WSI trailers and the Universal Hobbies and the Corgi trailers. So this is like a Universal Hobby trailer, and it almost works. So you didn't see it, but yeah, features is let's do a feature on all my trucks. So this one, the tires spin nicely on their common axles. I did have something about Austin. It was there. Let me move it. There we go. I need to be kind of careful with the stance with There's the tires. They do share the same tread on all of them, which is a wee bit bad, but drive shaft modeled. The differentials on the rear two axles, the tanks, over very good detailing. And then the sides are nice as well, with custom rims. Cab looks okay, the back looks okay. This won't be like a full thing, so this is just going to be a feature. So the model, it rolls in a nice straight line. Sorry about this, I'm just trying to get so it doesn't break. So the rear tires do share a common axle, both of them. And the front model, ooh, the step's coming off, okay. They'll have to be re-glued maybe. Front axle does steer. not an awful amount, as you can see. So when you do set it, max turning, barely steers. Maybe a wee bit more that way. Yeah. It does have the working left arm, which is very nicely modelled. Here we go, so we will get the container back in with. And this is how it works, so you do that. And we just slide it forward a wee bit. There you go. Go. Skip truck. The exhaust is quite fragile on this model for some reason. Next, tilting cab, final feature. Tilts are good size within the straight 6 engine. We'll only do the ones with like proper features, so that one, so we've got we'll do a Corgi model, so we'll do a Corgi 620. So we've got that model, we have this model, and we have that model. That's just no blood lined up. Well, maybe if that was replaced for first series, but yeah. We'll do the Renault first so we can get that out of sight. Tires share the same tread pattern on driven and non-driven axles. Twin fuel tanks, I respect that. Here's a drive shaft as well, into the gearbox. Model, it does go in a straight line. Rear tires do share common axles. Front does have steering, but it's the tiniest steering I've ever seen. Even worse than a WSI model. Can you believe that? So when you set it, right, it doesn't even want to set. It just goes on its own. Pathetic. And also as a tilting cab, that's also pathetic because it doesn't stay tilted. There, we'll have to hold it, reviewing the engine. Let's get out of my sight. We'll just get next to the car. Next is this, so very, very nice model. We're trying to keep it delicate. These tires actually share a different tread pattern. Front and rear. No, they don't. That's a lie, sorry. Fuel tank, yeah. All that good stuff. Very shiny rims. Look at that. Oh, shiny rims and the chrome work here. Very high detailed model. And twin stacks. So, this is it on. Oh, sorry. And it does front steering, which I can actually do with one hand. Let's set it. It is notched, but that means we can get better steering angle. Yeah, very good steering angle. And let's do it the other way. That's very good. Very, very nice model. And finally, the Scania. Chez Voidenay. If this company is still around, please tell me because I've barely seen any videos of it recently. So, let me know. Any Dutch folk. So, yeah, different tread pattern at least on the driven and non-driven axles. Focus camera. As you can see, rear tires do share common axles. It is a 6x2 twin steer. Well, 6x2 twin steer. The rims are very nice. Look at this. Look at the paintwork on those with metallic blue. The rims, that's very nice. Yeah, very nice. Let's do so the fifth wheel hitch moves. Alright, on to the test. grows in a straight line very well. Picking the model up. Rear tire juicer coming next, and there is linked front and rear steering, which is okay. When we set it and we set the turning, you can actually get a decent look, but the front tires start fouling on the wheel arches. But yeah, the thing which is very good on these WSI models is the tilting cab. This wasn't supposed to be tilted because I had a bull bar, but the bull bar fell off on my model, and I also ripped out some of the lights, and the grille. So yeah, revealing the very nice V8 engine. This is an R500 V8. Fully come over there. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed that today. If you've got any questions about this trailer, let's just do the features on this brick trailer and the other trailer. So yeah, very nice rims, very nice tires. Yeah, the functionality is on this crane, so it can raise up, extends, and it swivels full 360. Both on that one as well. So that's good. And we will now just tuck this back. We'll tuck it the other way this time, because yeah, this trail rolls very nicely. Oh, sure, common axle, as you can see, very nice. This is when we need a pointer tool. Let's check this out. Ladder falls down and back. And you can open up the rear doors, which I think is pretty cool. So, when you close them, comes with a full satisfying click, and then all we need to do is do this ladder. So now we just need to tuck that ladder. That's it. Very nice model. Came with the Mercedes, but it works with basically anything. So let me show you that. Let's get the 4 Series out this time. 4 Series. That trailer. Sneeze. Bless you me. Put it on. Very, very nice. I just may custom paint this trailer. If you want me to custom paint it, hit the thumbs up. And we will custom paint it. And in what color should we custom paint it in? Like a black? Or like a silver? Or what? Not white, because then they'll just get stained very easily, especially when I go outside. But yeah, very nice trailer. Very nice. So that's my fleet. If you want me to show off anything, like the F88, the something like that, let me know. Even that trailer. And then any of these. No. So, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon tomorrow, maybe, for another one of these, if the weather's nice and sunny outside. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.